Look, these are the dinosaurs. We draw them on the cardboard box and color it. And this is Tyrannosaurus, Brachiosaurus, and T-Rex. I drew this on the cardboard box and painted. This is the cardboard. This is a Spinosaurus. And this Spinosaurus has sharp claws. And a spine. This is a spine. And it hunts. It eats meat. This is a meat eater, and it's called a carnivorous. This is a Brachiosaurus. Brachiosauruses have a long neck and wide legs. This is a plant eater, so it's a herbivorous. This is a Triceratops. I drew it on the cardboard box. This is a Triceratops, and it's a giant Triceratops. And it eats plants, and it's a herbivorous. And it have horns, and a tail and horns on it. This is a T-Rex, and look how scary it is. It has sharp teeth.